Is your portfolio geared up for the next big move? HDFC Nifty Next 50 Index Fund is right here for you. What is Nifty Next 50 Index? Nifty Next 50 represents 50 companies from Nifty 100 after excluding the constituents of Nifty 50. It is rebalanced on semi-annual basis. Why Nifty Next 50 Index Fund? It offers the benefit of diversification at stocks as well as sector level. As you can see here, the top 3 sectors weight in Nifty Next 50 is 58% compared to 67% for Nifty 50. Moreover, it offers a balanced allocation. Nifty Next 50 Index medium stock exposure is around 1.80% as compared to Nifty 50 Index median of 0.97%. It offers potential for growth with next league of probable Nifty 50 companies. This table shows that from January 2002 to March 2021, out of 75 stocks included in Nifty 50 Index, 51 stocks have been from Nifty Next 50 Index. It provides exposure to unique and differentiated businesses. These two tables clearly demonstrate that sectoral subconstituents of Nifty Next 50 materially differ from Nifty 50. It could generate better risk-adjusted returns in the long term. Nifty Next 50 Index has favorable risk-reward ratio as compared to Nifty 50 Index over the long-term horizon. Now let us see the performance journey of Nifty 50 and Nifty Next 50. Nifty Next 50 has generated excess return of 3.7% CAGR over the last 19 years. Presenting HDFC Nifty Next 50 Index Fund, an open-ended scheme, replicating or tracking Nifty Next 50 Index, TRI. Why invest in HDFC Nifty Next 50 Index Fund? HDFC AMC has an experience of 19 years and is one of the oldest in the industry in managing passive funds. It is a leading investment manager in terms of AUM in the index fund category. Track record of managing tracking error as one of the lowest in the industry. It has a highly disciplined and robust investment and risk management policies and processes. HDFC Nifty Next 50 Fund is suitable for investors looking for simple yet cost-effective way of investing in next top 50 companies on the listed universe of NSE. Contact your mutual fund distributor or registered investment advisor today. NFO period October 22nd to October 29th, 2021. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.